You just finished a game and want to review it with your opponent on Pandanet. What can you do? Go to Rooms, Yourself, Game Archive, select the game you're interested in, then you would think Open would be enough. But unfortunately no, because although yes, this is a review, this is an offline review, so your opponent can join. So going back, Game Archive, the game you're interested in, download SGF. Then Home, Start Review, type Open File, you select the file you're interested in, and OK. Here you go. Now, for your opponent to join, you have to invite them by writing their name here and clicking OK.